another one. We hear the best music in the circumstances. I don't know if you can say it. I wanna see the nigga. I wanna be a baby. I'm a run like one. Nobody be like you. Why? Why? Oh, I wanna see when I want you. Why? Also good. Let us see. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing, but okay. You. What do we do with this? Ba- 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 ma- 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 ma. As you go there. Tiny. Bridal makeup. Only you and you know. Oh, killable.
My gosh, my God, guys, book me for your bridal makeup. See that? Hey, what is this? Anyways, we move. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. Makeup of flip. Body on 999. Hey, Pokemon. Oh no, this girl go kill the person. Hey, forget about Fatima. She wanna roll with a Fatima. Hey, waiting the sugar daddies they cause yeah. Hey, Asanwa. Baby, no touching, baby, no kissing, baby, and don't call me baby. I see the so. All by myself. Are you sure that I am not going to learn this beauty thing? Are you sure I'm not going to learn makeup and gele? Because what is all this? I am so I am so inconsequential. Yeah, I am so the bush cabal. So what's good? What, look at that? Oh my gosh. You wouldn't believe that I have no idea what I just did. What I just did it. Are you sure that I'm not going to learn makeup and gele? Cause what is this? If I don't learn makeup and gele, maybe I should become a bride so I can look like this. My goodness. Waiting be this beauty. Oh my gosh, I need a mirror to look at it properly because I don't understand what is going on. Do you know what they say about raw talent? Raw talent is when you have it, but you have not developed it, you've not explored it. Raw. It's still raw, underdeveloped. And what if it becomes developed? What if? What if I do something about this? Look. I think I look pretty. Honestly, like from what I'm seeing, I think this look is pretty. Oh, a bride. This look is better than some people's bridal look on their wedding day. Take it to the bank. Take it to the bank. Take this thing to the bank. Because again, this beauty. From someone who doesn't know anything about makeup. Did you see me looking at someone who doesn't know shit about makeup? If I learn this makeup thing, Oti Lord, it has Tilo. Because even the gele is looking as if I can literally carry this gele and go out to an event. I don't even need to pay anybody to do my gele for me. Thank God you watched me do it. It's not as if I just carried it and entered. You saw it on cam. In 4K. This thing I'm not working in 4K. You saw it in 4K when I was doing it. It's not as if I just enter camera with it. You saw it in 4K, bitches. And it looks this good. That is the end of this video. Peace.